Today we're making a Japanese milk bread. This is what I use for all of my dinner rolls, burger buns. It's super versatile. I mean, look at that thing bounce back. Start by activating your yeast in water, then in a saucepan combine flour, water, and milk. Cook that down until it's a paste, and that's your tangzong. Combine that with your yeast mixture along with the rest of the ingredients here and mix. Once a dough ball forms, add softened butter 1 tablespoon at a time until combined. Once your dough has doubled in size, split them up about 75 grams each, give them some space, and rest another 45 minutes. Brush with egg wash, then throw it into the oven for 20 minutes. They should come out perfectly golden brown like this. Then top it with a generous amount of garlic butter, and that's it.